This video is about drones in agriculture. Aerial unmanned vehicles or drones. Drones refers to an unpiloted aircraft that were originally developed for the military and aerospace industries. Over the years, drones have found their way into the mainstream because of the enhanced levels of safety and efficiency they bring. Drones are available in varied level of autonomy, from remotely piloted to operated through a system of sensors and lidar detectors. Drones also differ by the range of distance they cover. They can be of short range covering 30 miles to long range covering 400 miles. Use of drones in the industry. Delivery drones are used to transport food, packages or goods to your front doorstep. Amazon, Walmart, Google, FedEx, UPS and many other big brands are all currently testing out different versions of delivery drones. Drones can perform inspections and surveys more quickly, more cheaply and safely than people or helicopters, which is leveraged in industries like mining, construction and surveying. Drones are also used in wildlife conservation to track different species, their health and ecosystem. Drones have been a boon for photographers to take expansive aerial photos. According to the Ministry of Civil Aviation, there are nearly 19,500 drones in our country which are utilized for performing different tasks. Use of drones in agriculture. In India, agricultural drone market is currently valued at $1.3 billion, says Equinox Drones. Drone technology equipped with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and remote sensing features can bring more efficiency and predictability in farming techniques. Typically, drones include a navigation system, GPS, multiple sensors, high-quality cameras, and programmable controllers. These drones capture the farm-related data, and then this data is analyzed through high-end data analytics platforms for deriving beneficial knowledge. The recent locust swarms have found drones can diffuse pesticides on approximately 2.5 acres in merely 15 minutes. Using drones to combat the locust swarms is an immediate, secure and practical approach. Development of AUV technology in India. India's drone policy was released in 2018 to have control over the drone flying and no-fly areas, licenses, flight permission and penalties. In India, there are over 35 drone startups that are working to raise the technological standards and reduce the price of agricultural drones. The major hurdle of drone adoption in India is its cost and affordability. There are multiple types of agriculture drones which can start from $2,000 and go up to $15,000, which is very costly for a farmer to afford. This issue has been overcome by the evolution of startups who provide drone as a service to FPOs and farmers. Tartan Sense, Robitech Solutions, Thanos Technologies are some of the agritech startups in India which manufacture and utilize drones. Future outlook of AUV technology. The population of our country is likely to reach 9 billion in 2050. There will be a simultaneous growth in the agricultural consumption by 70%. With more technology advancement, adoption and affordability, drones can be utilized for irrigation monitoring, crop health monitoring and surveillance, crop damage assessment, field soil analysis, planting, agricultural spraying and livestock tracking. The usage of drones in agriculture can help in enhanced production, greater reach with safety, 10x faster data for quick decision making, less wastage of resources, 99% of accuracy rate and usefulness for enterprises, agritech startups and farmers as well. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Focus Agritech.